Review and compare the best cryptocurrencies to help you understand how to mine cryptocurrency, and select the best cryptocurrency to mine. Individuals can earn a daily income from cryptocurrency mining. It's the process by which distributed nodes on a crypto blockchain confirm transactions sent by other users. These nodes are running a replica of the blockchain in question. They then use software to ensure that the transactions sent through the blockchain network are valid and legitimate in accordance with the blockchain's requirements. What is cryptocurrency mining and how does it work? Mining is simple to do because all you need is a GPU, CPU, or ASIC miner connected to a mining pool to start earning money. Mining pools allow a large number of miners to pool their hash rate, or computer processing power, to increase their chances of winning block verification. This is due to the fact that verifying a block is a competition in which many miners compete. The specified rewards are awarded only to the winning miner. The following is a list of popular cryptocurrencies that can be mined: Vertcoin, Grin, Monero, Zcash, Ravencoin, Haven, Protocol, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monacoin, Bitcoin, Gold Eternity, Vertcoin, Grin, Monero, Zcash, Ravencoin, Haven, Protocol, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monacoin, Bit. 1. Vertcoin. After Litecoin, which was designed to be a GPU mineable alternative to Bitcoin, fell victim to ASIC control, Vertcoin was created as a crypto mineable by GPU. The network is as decentralized as possible due to the fact that it supports GPU mining. Features: ASICs and CPU cards aren't able to mine it. To mine the crypto, Verthash mine software will be used. Mined with Radeon RX 560, Vega 64, RTX 2080, and GTX 1660 cards, as well as the GTX 1080, 1080Ti, and Radeon RX 560. Individually or in GPU mining pools, this cryptocurrency can be mined. Coinotron.com, Zpool.ca, MiningPoolHub.com, and BitPoolMining.com are just a few of the pools to look into. The rates or commissions charged by various pools vary. 2. Grin. Individuals and businesses who do not require transaction tracking or transparency should use this service for private transactions. Grin is a privacy coin that allows individuals or platforms to conduct private transactions. The amount sent, as well as the sending and receiving addresses, are not visible to the public on the Grin platform. Of course, anyone in the public can view such details of blockchain transactions for non-privacy coins using block explorers. To ensure transaction privacy and scalability, Grin employs the Mimblewimble protocol. Features: Miner, Grin Gold Miner, Qto Miner, and LOL Miner GPU mining software are all capable of mining this resource. These are free to download. 2miners.com and f2pools.com are two pools where it can be mined. The rates and payout frequencies of different pools vary. Solo mining with ASICs can be used to mine it. Grin is small and light, thanks to the Mimblewimble protocol, and it scales based on the number of users rather than transaction volume. 3. Cryptocurrencies, XMR. Because it can be mined with CPUs, it's ideal for newcomers. Monero is a privacy-focused coin and blockchain that improves transaction non-traceability. Unlike Bitcoin, Monero does not display transaction details like the amount sent, sending, and receiving addresses. As a result, it is a cryptographic system that ensures complete privacy. Features: Mining does not require users to spend a lot of money on CPUs. In addition, when mining with CPUs, do not use excessive power. Each 24 seconds, one Monero is mined. Miners can earn up to 4.99 XMR as a reward. It is possible to mine alone with GPUs, but it is also possible to mine in pools. MineXMR.com, supportxmr.com, xmr.nanopool.org, and monero.crypto-pool.fr are just a few of the Monero mining pools available. For .zcash, individual miners who prefer private transactions will find this to be the most suitable option. Zcash is also a privacy coin, meaning that all transactions are kept private. The use of public transparent wallet addresses, whose data and history can be viewed by anyone, is an option. Companies and groups that want transaction transparency and traceability can use these. Individuals can protect their financial history and privacy by using the shielded transaction types. The transaction fee in Zcash is only 0.0001 Zcash. MIT Technion, Johns Hopkins, Tel Aviv University, and UC Berkeley scientists have backed the crypto. Features: resistant to ASIC. The EWBF Zcash Miner Windows Miner is the best option for mining. It is very cost-effective for beginners because it can be mined with CPUs. For optimization, GPU miners can use the software Optiminer and EWBF CUDA. GUI miners, console miners, and Android mining apps are also available. The ZEC mining pool, which is an internal mining pool, is the best mining pool. Flypool, Nanopool, and Slushpool are among the other pools to mine. 3.125 ZECs is the block reward every 75 seconds. After every 2.5 minutes, 10 blocks are produced. Ravencoin is a cryptocurrency that was first introduced in RVN. Beginners and those with a limited budget should consider this option. Ravencoin makes asset transfers and trading easier by utilizing a peer-to-peer network. It's based on a Bitcoin fork, and it's entirely community-driven, with no master nodes or initial coin offerings. Medici Ventures is an example of a customer who used the coin's blockchain to complete a $3.6 million securities token transfer. This project is also backed by Medici Ventures, which is owned by Overstock.com. Features: because ASICs can't be used to mine, people can start mining with low initial costs. bMiner, NB Miner, and Demo Miner are some examples of popular Ravencoin mining software. You can also mine it on your phone with MinerGate, but we doubt it will be very profitable. 2 miners, Blocksmith, BSOD, Coinatron, Flypool, Hero Miners, Skypool, Mining Pool Hub, Nanopool, Supernova, and Woolly Pooley are just a few of the mining pools that can be used to mine this. Cryptocurrency mining is also supported by GamerHash. Every minute, a block is created or mined for a 5,000 RVN block reward. 6. Protocol of HAV, XHV. Holders, also referred to as hodlers, will benefit the most. Haven Protocol is a Monero-based private cryptocurrency. People can convert, transfer, and store monetary value directly from their wallets, bypassing middlemen, custodians, and third parties. You can convert Haven crypto to other fiat-pegged tokens directly from your wallet at the moment. The platform supports the conversion and swapping of synthetic fiat and cryptocurrencies like XUSD, XCNY, XAU, Gold, and XBTC. On the platform, no one sets the exchange rates, and any supported asset can be converted without limits. Features: Ring CT and stealth addresses are among the privacy features it inherits from Monero. As a result, it's suitable for sending and receiving private messages. Fiat-pegged, gold-pegged, and silver-pegged coins allow for the stable storage of monetary value, avoiding volatility crashes. You can convert and store after you've finished mining. If you're looking for Haven mining pools, then you've come to the right place. Hero Miners, Miner Rocks, Fracking Miner, Hash Vault, Fairpool, and Hashpool are just a few of the games you can play. It is possible to mine it using the same software that is used to mine Monero. Block GUI Miner, CryptoDredge, and SRB Miner are examples of software for mining Haven protocol. 7. Ethereum Classic is a cryptocurrency that is based on the blockchain technology. Smart contracts are best suited for businesses and organizations. Ethereum Classic is a fork of Ethereum that maintains the principle of code is law, which means it allows individuals and organizations to execute smart contracts, or coded business instructions, on the blockchain with minimal human intervention. Features: Fminer, Claymore Miner, FinMiner, Gminer, and NBMiner GPU miners were used to mine the majority of the coins. ETC mining software includes Crux Miner, Gminer, LOL Miner, Nano Miner, NB Miner, and OpenETC Pool. Nanopool.org, 2 miners, Ethermine, F2 Pool, and P2 Pool are just some of the pools that can be used to mine the cryptocurrency. On a VPS server, it's also possible to mine. 3.2 ETC is the reward for a block in Ethereum Classic. After every 10.3 seconds, a new block is made. Litecoin is the number 8 cryptocurrency, LTC. Group mining is the best option. Unlike Bitcoin, which has a 10-minute waiting period, Litecoin ensures quick transactions. Based on cryptocurrency research, it was released under the MIT/X11 license. Like many other blockchains, it is based on an open-source cryptographic protocol and a decentralized ledger. When it became impossible or difficult to generate blocks on Bitcoin using CPUs and GPUs, it was forked from Bitcoin with the goal of being mineable with a CPU and GPU. ASICs are now the only way to mine Litecoin profitably. The underlying protocol has now been optimized with ASICs. Features: the current reward per block is 12.5 LTC, and a block is mined in 2.5 minutes. In 4 years' time, this will be halved. Easy Miner, Multi-Miner, GUI Miner SCRYPT, CPU Miner, Seed Miner Litecoin, and Awesome Miner are all capable of mining this cryptocurrency. You can now switch from CPU mining to GPU mining with these. The software for ASIC miners will almost certainly come pre-installed. You can also use other software or the free ASIC/FPGA miner. Litecoin Pool, MinerGate, LTC.top, and Pool, F2 Pool, and Via BTC are just a few of the Litecoin mining pools.